Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on a phone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and write good comments. Let's get started. So, first we need swipe down the curtain. And after that, we need to click on this little moon. And that's all. Now we turn off Do Not Disturb mode. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.